free likes on your ad, grow that engagement and reach without paying a dime.
The worst thing that you can do is start putting out a Facebook ad and get 2 or 3 likes and you're spending a ton of money.
Ooh, I want to see what that is.
Welcome to Reframe Your Biz with Jill Bunny and Kristen Crowley, 2 women in wellness and fitness here to help entrepreneurs save thousands with tips and tricks on social media, PR, and more. We help you reframe your biz and grow your brand. Make sure you sign up for our membership and get ready to reframe.
All right, it is on with J and K, and we are back with your Reframe Your Biz tip of the week. And this is a big one because advertising on social media is a hot topic. People all want to know, how much should I spend? What should I do? But we have a way that you can get free likes on your ads and actually really kind of grow that engagement and reach without paying a dime. So Jill, tell us how it's done.
So first, how many times when you scroll through Facebook and you see the sponsored and there's 3 likes, do you click on it or do you think, oh, this is a crappy program? Likely that's the case. The worst thing that you can do is start putting out a Facebook ad and get 2 or 3 likes and you're spending a ton of money. So what can you do ahead of time? You literally take that post, take that picture, you put it into your Facebook directly on your page as an organic post. You then will want to text message. So don't use Facebook Messenger, go off that platform, ask your friends to like it, maybe put a comment or 2 so that you're building a good traction. You're building those likes. You could have 60 likes before you even turn it into an ad. Then you do so and boom, your ad is up and it already has 60 likes and you've paid $0 to begin with.
Yeah, so that's the best way to convert your posts into ads without spending as much money to get that many likes. And when people see it, you know, we're all attracted to things that other people are interested in because they're like, ooh, I want to see what that is. That looks good. Do the legwork, get behind the scenes, get off of social media to actually spend less on social media with your Facebook ads. I think that's a great tip. So we hope you guys enjoyed that. That was a quick one this week for all of our Facebook and Instagram users. So if you liked that, we do things like this every single week in Reframe Your Biz. So you can subscribe in the link below and join us. It's only $1 a day to grow your business and build your brand with us. So we're happy to help. We hope you found this helpful too. So like, subscribe, share, and comment, and we will see you with another tip next time.
Take care, guys.
We hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and join our monthly membership to reframe your biz.